Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite programs ever, which is Excel. I get excited for it since I am an accountant. In detail, we're going to focus on, though, when it's time to move beyond Excel. My name is Toni Cameron with TLDR Accounting, and we are a full-service accounting firm that provides bookkeeping and tax services to therapists and service-based businesses. Today, we're going to talk about Excel. Everyone uses Excel. Well, maybe not everyone, but 9 times out of 10, if I'm talking to someone who is starting their business, they're keeping track of something in Excel. A lot of times it's a running log of maybe what expenses they have spent so far because, they're still setting up their business, or it's keeping track of folks that they can follow up with for becoming clients, things like that. Excel is a fantastic tool, and I encourage everyone to use it, especially if it's working for you. But there comes a time when it's just not enough, especially if you're using it for your accounting software. In the beginning, Excel is fantastic for the new business owner. It's super easy to set up a couple of sheets. We offer a free business summary in Excel to our clients. It's a great way to get started. The issues become as your business continues to grow. So, have you hired an employee? Now there's things you need to keep track of in your accounting that Excel might not be the greatest thing for. Are you making more than 6 figures? Are you running out of time in your work week? Are you feeling overwhelmed? Is it looking like a subscription to, say, QuickBooks Online would pay for itself? That could be one of the things. Or if you're considering completely outsourcing your bookkeeping, a bookkeeper isn't going to want to update things in Excel. They're going to want to use an accounting software. And so any of those situations, or if you see them coming up in 3 months, it might be time to switch over. Now, the other big reason to switch is if it's more cost effective to switch to, say, QBO than the time it's taking you in Excel. An easy way to calculate this is the time it's taking you in Excel times 0.5, because QBO should reduce your bookkeeping time by half, and that's going to be the estimated time you would save using QBO. Now, if you then multiply your estimated time saved by your hourly charge for clients, that's the cost you are paying by using Excel instead of switching to something like QuickBooks Online. Now, QuickBooks Online only costs $25 to $35 a month, especially if you're in one of the situations I just talked about. Now, if your cost to use Excel is $100, $110, obviously comparing the price tag, $100 to $25, it's worth it to make the switch. There could be other factors for also wanting to make the switch, but the biggest I've seen is the time savings. You should be focusing on servicing your clients, not on 3 to 4 hours a week updating your Excel sheet. Your accounting system doesn't have to be that complicated. So just some of the things to keep in mind. So in the next 3 to 6 months, you're going to hire someone, you're making over 6 figures, you're running out of time in your work week, or it's more cost effective to switch, it might be time to start looking at something else to solve your bookkeeping needs. All right, I hope you found this helpful. If it does turn out that you do want to switch over to QuickBooks Online and you don't know how to set it up, feel free to look us up and set up an appointment.